Why is uncoupling so hard for record-breaking long trains? Imagine a train stretching over several kilometers, carrying hundreds of freight cars loaded with goods. Now picture trying to disconnect just a few of those cars. It sounds simple, but in reality, it's a huge challenge. The longest trains in the world can be over 7 kilometers long, like the 7,353-meter freight train built by BHP Iron, or these trains are massive, with hundreds of cars and multiple locomotives spread far apart. That scale makes uncoupling a complex task. The weight alone can reach nearly 100,000 metric tons. When you try to uncouple, all those cars and locomotives pull and push against each other, creating huge tension and compression forces. These forces make it difficult to separate the cars without risking damage or derailment. Another big problem is control. Record-breaking trains often have several locomotives spaced out along the length of the train. These locomotives are controlled by a single driver using advanced systems. When uncoupling, the driver must coordinate carefully to make sure all parts stay synchronized. If one section moves differently, it can cause mechanical stress or even accidents. Plus, the process takes longer because of the number of cars involved. Each car needs to be disconnected properly, the brakes must be applied to prevent movement, and the separated sections must be stable before moving on. Infrastructure also plays a role. Not all train yards or sidings are built to handle such long trains. Many facilities are too short or not equipped to manage the logistics of uncoupling hundreds of cars. This means extra planning, and sometimes special arrangements are needed. Then there are the couplers and braking systems. Modern trains use automatic couplers that connect air brake lines and electrical systems between cars. Disconnecting these safely on a train that is over 7 kilometers long requires careful sequencing. If done too quickly or improperly, it can cause brake pressure loss or communication failures, which could lead to accidents. All these factors combine to make uncoupling a slow, delicate, and demanding process. It's not just about pulling a lever or releasing a latch. It involves managing enormous forces, precise control, safety procedures, and infrastructure limitations. That's why, despite their impressive size and engineering, record-breaking long trains are so difficult to uncouple. It's a true feat of planning and technology that keeps these colossal vehicles moving smoothly across the world.